modding a real-time strategy game and dealing with RTS script files. These are game scripts containing mission logic and AI behaviors. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view, edit, and use these RTS game script files. For those complex RTS formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later, after we attempt the common methods. This file contains scripts and data for real-time strategy, RTS games, most famously Blizzard's StarCraft. Users encounter these files when creating or installing custom maps, mods, or campaigns. The primary user intent is to modify game behavior, add new units, or create unique scenarios for gameplay. RTS files are typically plain text or binary-encoded scripts that the game engine parses to execute commands, define unit attributes, or control AI logic. This design allows for easy modification by the modding community, fostering user-generated content and extending the game's lifespan without requiring complex compilation tools. If installed, your preferred program for RTS should be the StarCraft application by Blizzard Entertainment. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows offers very limited visibility into these files, so proper use requires game-oriented applications. The quickest way to solve this is testing. Right-click your RTS file, then choose Open With. You should start with StarCraft if it's installed. If not, try another option, as some programs are better suited than others. If your RTS file still refuses to open, stay calm. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, identifying the game. Determine which RTS game produced the script file by examining the file location and surrounding files. Check the game's installation directory or mod folders for context. Common RTS games using script files include Command & Conquer series, Age of Empires, StarCraft, and Total War, with each using game-specific script formats and syntax. Next, opening in a text editor. RTS script files are usually plain text, so open them in Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, or Sublime Text. Install syntax highlighting extensions matching the script language, Lua Python, or game-specific. The colored syntax helps understand script structure, logic flow, and identify functions for editing or learning. Finally, editing and testing scripts. Make a backup of the original RTS file before editing to enable rollback if changes break the game. Modify script content to adjust mission parameters, AI behavior, or unit properties. Test changes by loading the relevant mission or scenario in the game, checking for script errors in the game's debug output or log files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.